Hi guys, this is Mukta here. Welcome back to my channel. We are Enchanted. I'm back today with a new project. These are baby announcement boxes I made for a baby girl. So let me get you through this. The box is 7.5 inch by 3.5 inch in dimension, and it is 2 inch in thickness. Then I have used MFT die cut flourishes to decorate the box. These are again some die cuts. I embossed this one. We are using an embossing folder, and then I rubbed on some picked raspberry distress ink over it. Similarly, this is a die cut. This is a tag die cut. I got this from Itsy Bitsy, and same I masked the upper part, and on the lower part I rubbed on some picked raspberry. Satin ribbon as well is from Itsy Bitsy. The box is covered using white handmade paper, which is again from Itsy Bitsy. I love the quality of these white handmade paper because they just bring something extra to the project, and though you can't see it on the camera, it is a little textured, so it looks really like fabric, and it's really nice. I prefer to use this. These cardstocks are from Fabriano, and I just love the way it just matches. And these are wooden embellishments. I just bought it from a local store, and they come in a sorted pack, and this one is a pink teddy. Though the other boxes had cradle and new baby and other things, I don't have a box right here, but I do have a picture which I'll upload at the end of the video, and you can have a look. This is on the side. Let me put the embellishments, all the decoration aside. This is the side, and this is the back, and that's my brand logo. So that's how this box looks. And I used 900 GSM of chipboard to make these boxes, because the boxes had to take around 250 grams of chocolates, and that is quite a heavy load, so I did do that. So this is how it looks from the inside. So you can see the chocolates are still here, and I added a little tissue paper shreddings inside in bright pink color just to bring out, and this is a paper tape which I just used inside to just give it a little color, because it's white everywhere, so I just wanted to add a little color. This is again something I printed out on my printer, and I did do a little edge coloring by using again the same distress ink that I used for the tags, and this is of course the name of the parents. So that is about this. If you are interested to know how I made this box, and you want to know, and you want me to do a tutorial for this, please do let me know, and I'll be very happy to do a tutorial for this. So until then, you can leave me all your messages below, and I'll be very happy to read them. Until then guys, until the next time, see you again very soon. Bye bye.